15 seconds.
Not looking.
18 seconds on this one.
It's up there.
On hold?
You're ahead of me.
Now he's telling me how pretty it's going to be. Who the heck cares?
Tell us when it's happened.
There it goes.
All right. So
It's on its way.
time around now. Fuck to see it.
Oh, now.
Just one, yeah. It'll come.
It's out of the
Okay,
gun.
lift off
It's
now.
gone its way, and there it goes.
It'll be right off over here.
You can see it?
No.
There it is. There it is, Mom.
Where I see it.
It's up now. It's up.
Oh yeah, I see it shining.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh yeah.
Just above those birds.
Sit up. Dead center of words.
Barb, stand up.
Yes, for sure.
See it up there? Right up there.
Oh, yeah. Can't miss it now. Right.
Doesn't like to go through the clouds.
Behind a cloud. It may appear again. Yeah. When it gets to.
Probably well above the clouds.
Did you pick it up?
Yes, I did. And now I can't see it.
No, I can't either.
Now you can't see it now, but maybe it'll come through. You'll see it again to the right of where you saw it before.
Well, that's a bad one.
Gets to that next opening.
They were in St. Augustine the other night, and they stopped Sunday night. They were coming down. Oh, we're right here.